Okay, we are taking a look here at the Concord Baptist website and how to set everything up so the widgets work correctly. The first thing you want to make sure is that you have your people categorized correctly so that they go with the appropriate pages, and so you have a category that goes with each one of them. And so we already have children set up on these people. That's what we had done on the initial template, and so you need to have categories set up for all of these. And so then if you want to add in a new category, I don't know if these were already created or not. Looks like not. So then if you wanted to create a youth category, then you would just create it here. If you refresh this, then after that, then we can apply it to whoever we need to apply it to. So Monty and John, we're going to say that they are the youth, and then you can make them youth and update it, and then it would go there. I won't actually do that because that's not what we're really wanting right now. Once that is done, then you can set it up so that then it will show up on the correct page. You need to create a Genesis simple sidebar here. So go to Genesis and then simple sidebars. And so then we're going to go ahead and create the youth one. I assume that's something you will need, so we're going to actually create one of those here. And then you can see it's down there. If you come over to the widget area now, then along with all the normal ones that you have, then we have youth. And I guess I called the children's sidebar previously. It doesn't really matter which way you call it, just as long as you know what it is. And you can see here that we have this pods list set up here for staff. We need to be able to create the same sort of pods list for that right there. And we could set up something to duplicate this if you're doing a ton of these, but I don't think you're doing quite enough for that to be worth the trouble. But let us know if you are needing to do a whole lot. So we have a staff, and we have the staff widget here. That's just set up exactly the same as that, so you know how to do it. The only other part that is of significance here is you have this part down here for the category. And so then you paste it down here, but right now it says youth. Oh, sorry, it says children, and so you'll need to change it over to youth. That is the category slug right there. And so then if you had children's ministry, then it would be children's dash ministry, and you can see those over here to the side. And so you see what those are there. It's this column here that says slug. And so once we save that, then when you're on a page for that, so let's go ahead and go to page for youth. Or maybe that's not what you have, or students, I guess is what it is for you all, huh? So you might want to change all these words that I'm using here. But we'll pretend that it's youth for right now. And then down here on the right side, then you have the primary sidebar, and we're wanting to switch that out. And then instead of being default, we want it to be youth. And we're going to update that. It won't show if you just click it right now. If you click preview right now, it won't show. You have to update it first. And then you click preview changes. And then we have student ministry, and nothing shows up here. The reason why nothing shows up there is because we didn't actually categorize anybody's that. Let's go ahead and temporarily categorize Monty as being part of the youth contact information there. It should be that it now works. And then there Monty is right there. Now it will show up as you are desiring. So it's several steps, unfortunately. I wish it was just a little bit more intuitive than that. But it's also fine if it turns out that that is a little bit too clunky. Then we can set those all up for you if you let us know what it is that you need set up. We don't mind doing that on your behalf either. So hopefully that helps out. And if you need more help, definitely let us know.